Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Want to show the AI Auto Trader and what I'm up to today. So I did a little bit of a challenge. I said, you know what? I've got all these Apex evaluation accounts. Why don't I try to challenge the Auto Trader? A little bit of manual trading against an Auto Trader. So kind of starting out the challenge today. Today's November 14th. It's almost the 4 o'clock bell. Just kind of give you an update of how the challenge went today so far. So today I'll just give you a background of what I'm doing. I'm running a NinjaTrader 8 on the futures markets, and down here I've got a NQ 30 range chart that we have the indicators for. Up here I've got another chart. This one's called the cash register. So we've got several strategies over here that we develop and share with our clients. So right now the cash register today made 1287, the cash cow 324, my PA account at 187 that is running on the cash register. So I'll kind of show you how those accounts shake out, and then up here I've got another PA account, and this one I was manually trading the crosses here. Follow the crosses to profits. All the way up this big old run. Today the market's moved, I think 300 or 400 points, so it's been a huge moving day. Great opportunity to sit there on coattails. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in a trade right here. You can kind of see. I just want to share with you how how our software works. So boom, I just hit a sell market. I had we call it an ATM open over here that I have programmed. So this one is it's I call it for my $100,000 account because these are static $100,000 accounts from Apex that I'm using. And I do one contract, my stop's at 150. So that's what this is telling me. So it's programmable. You can go in there and change it to whatever your liking is, but that's kind of my go-to is that ATM strategy, because if I get a pullback, the way I've been treating this is I kind of watch price. I guess first thing I watch indication. Indication got my background bias. Once I get confirmation that's the direction, I go ahead and pull the trigger. And then if I get a pullback, so still I might get a pullback, I'll go ahead and sell another one, trying to, I think they call it price dividing. So I'll try to, take my losses and cut it in half, but then hope that it still, moves in my direction. So that's what the way I've been kind of treating it so far.
Target filled.
Boom, got the payday on that PA account today. So that's awesome. So just knocked a couple more accounts out. Let me kind of show you the RTrader Pro of how today looks so far. So no, it's at 1959. Again, there's a heavy-duty commission fee with Apex that I've noticed, bigger than when I was trading my live account. So that's kind of something to always take into consideration. But again, it's a nice pullback right there. It's probably time to jump in if it breaks 70. So 70 is a real resistance number. There's numbers that have a lot of resistance behind them. 30, 70, 50. Those tend to be numbers that it kind of hangs around. If it breaks 67, that's usually time to
Order filled.
go jump in. See, if you noticed, even it went from 67 to 65. Like nobody had their buy at 66, basically. So it's kind of one of those numbers that just gets overlooked. But we'll see if I can get this one to payday here. It's market close, so it gets really erratic right now. So I might get stopped out, but just want to show kind of how things are going so far. And again, when it's in a trade over here, because over here on the screen it's under P&L, it's empty. But it does show here as price changes, it updates here. So that's kind of how you know when it's in a trade. But what I wanted to really share too is there is a trick when you do get these evaluation counts to over the target. Apex requires you to run them for 7 days, so you still have to trade them. Like today, I have to trade all these accounts. So why don't I go ahead and get that set up, and I'll show you how to do it, because I didn't know how to do it at first exactly. To just, basically you're just trying to trade and just get out, because right now I'm at $2,008. Let me lower it down to show kind of what I'm trying to get at. You have to be above $2,000 on the 7th day. So I need to make a trade today, but on some of these, like this one right here, I only have $2 of breathing room. So, but I still need to trade it another day. So let me do number 160, and I'll kind of show you the trick that I've learned so far. I go to the MNQ, and I go to my account number 160, which is here. And again, I need to make a trade, but I've only got $2 of breathing room. It's 50 cents a tick, plus you got to pay commissions for this trade. So I really need to just jump in and jump out almost, immediately. So, I'm gonna just here I've got another ATM set up for this particular trade. So I'm gonna go at it and just kind of look at it real quick. So it's $10. I really only need it to be like $2. So I've got that now set to $2, and now you can
Order
just
filled.
do a sell, and hope you get it in your direction. So you can basically break even, still be $2 up. We'll see how this goes for me. See if we can go in our direction, or if we go against us. If I'm still going to be above
Target
2,000.
filled.
Yes. Okay. Awesome. So that account survived another day, barely. But that's the idea, is to try to just do a really small trade until you get to your 7 days, because I blew one out. I accidentally traded it on the NQ and had it at $5 per tick, and it went against me, and I couldn't recover from it. So really wanted to just share that and show how the Auto Trader did today, and everybody have a good day trading.